YouTube, welcome back to another video. Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today we are playing some more Roblox, and today we are playing a new game that no, it's not a new game, but a new update came out and called event, and it's called Build Bear. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you do, like, subscribe. Catch you guys in the video. Catch you guys there. Boom! Wait, where'd that thing go? Wait, what if I press this button? Oh my god! What the heck? The button! The kid was here! That button! Oh, the button of legend. The button of legend. I can't see it. Right. Oh my god. See? What? Oh, I can't wait. This game is laggy. This game is a laggy game. Why? Why laggy game? Why? Let's vote. I don't even know what the mode is. What even is the mode? I'll just chill. Fine. I'll do hard. Anyway. Hey, you know what? Let's do hard. Nice. Nice job. Come on, everyone a heart. Everyone a heart. Nice, nice, guys. Nice, nice. Alright, look. We don't even move. Oh, the shop. What the heck? What do you do in the shop? Sparkles. Fires, penguin. Wait, what? Oh, pets! Penguin. Oh, I'm saving up for a penguin, bro. I love penguins. They're so cute when we home. Oh, look at Roblox Ninja. He's happy. He's gonna win. Can you see how much wins you have? What's the shop? Oh, there's a shop. Here you go. Let's go. I'm just putting hearts because I'm not really caring about this one because I don't even know what the name is. So this mode is look at everyone in the server. Shout out to everyone in the server, even though they don't know I'm recording. Oh wait, here it says coins $50, and I don't have enough to buy anything. 500. I'm saving for that. Right, so heart. Ooh, add. Is that a duck? I think they're doing duck. Yeah, this is actually an amazing duck. I'll give a heart that really because it's amazing. It's nice. I'm a bad one. Hey, poster! Oh, he actually didn't say, oh. He didn't say, oh, I'm the best. He's like, vote for me. I'm like, okay. And here's someone else. How much people are there? Is he the last one? Kind of cool design, I love black, it's outside. Why is black outside? Here, win streak. I haven't won it ever. Oh, no! God dang it, it's wasting my time. Clock. 1 hour later. Clock. It's raining taco. Wait, look at this. Oh, this is what I call them. The dance and musician. What? They end the dance? They hate dances. Look, what? Come here, wanna fight? You better don't wanna fight. Hello, this is a race, and look at him getting Jojo dead. Games notes. Attack Mankey first. Oh, I'm sorry, Dangerful. Did I vote for him? I think I was too late for him. Intermission. 30 seconds. Hey guys, I'm so nervous. I'm even more nervous than the guy with the bag. Wait, how'd you get the bag? Oh my god, he has a bag. I want a bag. I'll friend him and then see how to get the bag. But I'll do that after the video. No. Accept. I wanna see. Accept. And you. I'll just tell him so that he can accept. And recording. Oh wait. I'm not a host. I don't care. Someone's accept. I hate you. I'm a superhero. I'll just build Super Me. because he's the first superhero. Why about Batman? Yeah, I like Batman because he's black and black. I love black. I don't care. Let's do colors. Oh yeah. Even though I think I like Superman more. If Batman's watching this, I'm sorry, Batman. But I like Superman more. But either way, I still like black. So and black is Batman. So Batman. Alright. I think I played this game before. It's like it. Alright, now we gotta go ahead and build it here. No, it's like 775 Robux for more colors. Oh. Build that, come on. Build him. How will I go upper? I literally can walk through it. Okay. How will I go up? Look at this. Oh, you what? Dad! It's so black I can't even see. I think you should do that. I think now it's a wall. Wait, let me get up. Oh, I can't get up. Build blocks to get up. I think I should jump. I think I could. Oh my god, what a... I have to walk away. Oh my god, this game! It's so broken! What? I thought I was following you. I'm not following anybody. You know, guys, if you're a fan and you don't, like, you're new, make sure to add me in Roblox. So, anyone that's a fan, add me in Roblox. I'll accept. I can't literally build. I can't build more. I really can't build more. Look. Wait, that's not random things. What did it? Tell ya da 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 da. This is the best, cause I'm literally just spamming. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Look at this! Look at this best superhero ever! Dun 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 dun. Like they could do any better. How could they? Dun 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 dun. The best thing ever. Chun 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 chun. You should love it. Dun, 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 dun. Right. Oh, this is more. Alright, that's now. Y'all spam something else now. Dun, 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 dun. No, do the river, dun, 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 dun. Alright. What the heck? It's taking 3 minutes to waste my Roblox time. If there's something called Roblox time. Ha ha ha. So guys, we're gonna keep spamming. Keep spamming. Keep spamming. Keep spamming. Keep spam. Keep spamming. Keep spamming. Just keep spamming. Like, what the heck? I'm gonna keep spamming. Next. Where's this? The wood now. The doggy's spamming. Keep. Oh, I keep forgetting. Hit a build. Spam. Oh my god. What the heck? Oh, there we go. Oh my god. Oh, dog. The glass block. Oh, dang it. Danger. Bury the mines. Who even is this? Please vote for me. Please vote for me. Me. Where's my podcast? Taking forever now. I don't want to waste all my time. Like, literally, it's gonna waste my YouTube time. Say join. You say Zayd. What'd you say? I don't know if you ever been in a video. Say don't. No. Say Oh really? Yay. Oh, I fell. I'm in the middle. Oh, he pushed me to the bow! So mean. Wait. Dang it. Pushes me. Where is Zayd? Oh, he's in the. Where's Zayd? Oh, he's right there. He's there. Moonwalking. Zayd, wait for me. No. Bro, I got scared! Holy! Oh, wait, please, I need a vent. Oh, there's Momo, the best superhero ever! The best superhero ever. Come on, vote for me. Vote. Come on, vote for me. Come on, vote for me. Come on. Oh my god, this video is going to be extremely long. So guys, I think this video will be extremely long, so I have to pause the video. I don't think this will be that much because there's going to be a lot, but I'm just gonna, like, now I'm not gonna favorite everything because, like, sometimes, like, if you favorite everything, they're gonna have a higher chance. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do it, that and what I chose in the middle of the well. But guys, let's go ahead and I'll catch you guys on that. She didn't win. What place was we? Well, what? Wait, where are we? I don't see me. What place was I? What place was I? What place was I? Somebody tell me. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna end it off here. This game is actually extremely broken. If you're watching this, please fix this game. I can literally walk through this and it's so hard to do. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like, subscribe. Catch you guys next time. Peace.